Meaning of Florence Griffith Joyner.
Florence Griffith Joyner.
Florence Griffith Joyner.
Florence Griffith Joyner.
Florence Griffith Joyner. Florence Griffith Joyner, 1959 to 1998, was an American track and field athlete who was considered one of the greatest sprinters of all time. She won 3 gold and 1 silver Olympic medals and set numerous world records in the 100m and 200m events. Her flashy style, including colorful uniforms and one-leg racing suits, made her a cultural icon of the 1980s. Unfortunately, Joyner passed away at the age of 38 due to epilepsy-related seizures. She remains an inspiration to athletes and fans around the world.